To begin making the Zara cap, fold a satin fabric measuring 13 inches wide. Next, prepare 2 pieces of gum stay, each cut to 18 inches by 2.5 inches. Align the gum stay pieces together and fuse them using hemming gum. Now mark the center of the satin fabric. Position the fused gum stay so that its midpoint aligns with the marked center, placing it 1 inch below the mark. Fold the satin over the gum stay using hemming gum to secure it. Then fold the entire piece once more. Cut 2 pieces of elastic, each 2.5 inches long. Top stitch along the folded edge of the satin to create a channel. Insert the elastic into this channel, tucking it slightly below the gum stay and positioning it close to the stitch line. Top stitch the elastic in place. Stretch it to reach the other end of the channel and stitch again to secure. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Turn the structured portion of the cap backward. Fold the satin right sides together and sew along the chalked guideline. Using a threaded needle, gather the stitched edge by sewing a running stitch along the gap. Pull the thread tight to knot it securely. For a more elegant finish, attach an applique to the left side of the cap, and just like that, your Zara cap is complete. If this tutorial was helpful, do drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.